my channel! For today's video, ano ba yan?
We will unpack something. Natupad na talaga ang wish niya.
Okay, so gusto nyo bang malaman kung ano yun?
Yes.
Okay, so keep on watching, guys. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget, click the bell button, okay? Mwah!
Yes, and here we go. Here we go. So, we are going to box a special thing. Sulayan, ano to?
Ano yan?
So, this is her dream camera. So, we are going
Palapakan, guys. Palapakan. Okay. Perfect.
Gagamitin niya for her vlog. So, today, we are going to unbox this Fuji X-A3 camera.
Oh,
It's
thank
a
you. By the way,
mirrorless-
thank you nga pala sa sponsor. Charo.
Chaya. May chaya lang. So, if you want to avail something like this, we will put you the link
Down below.
Yes, you can try to visit Go Photo Zamboanga owned by Paulo Go. Diba? Despite and in spite the quarantine, we were able to purchase this. But of course, observing social distancing and team na yung A.
Team A. Alright.
Team
Sa mga may quarantine pass, Team A.
Yeah. So now
Dito
we're
sa
going
Zamboanga.
to start and buy. This is brand new, under warranty.
Yeah.
Yes.
One year warranty, o diba?
By Paulo Go.
Maupo talaga ito, pero...
Thank you so much, Paulo Go. Char, mas late na reply. Charot.
Beka naman.
Charot lang. So we're now going to unbox it.
Ay, cartoon lang, Ma'am Beth.
Pardon lang. Okay, this is how it looks inside. So, ito. Oy. So, yan. Kuchenele, takip pa.
May takip pa siya, so bagong-bago talaga, guys.
Tadaan! Okay.
Charan!
Tada!
Ito po yung ano to. Ano ba tawag dyan, Beth? Yung itsura niya.
Sa loob.
Sa loob, ganyan.
Yes. So, when you unbox or open this one, you can able to see yung lens, then the camera.
Alright.
So, we'll put it one by one. So, first, buasin ni.
So, first, sige yo,
So,
kasi
first,
siya itong si Dove Channel.
Okay. So, this, the first is yung
Lens. Tapos, second, yung camera.
So, this is the lens. Yes,
So,
the
let's
lens.
open this.
Okay, open. And we'll place it here.
Tapos mamaya, mag-set tayo, Beth.
We'll set it. And we will use
Taran! The camera.
the camera. The next. So, sa ibaba no, second layer, yung lang namin sa the side, you can see inside the manuals. Yan.
May manual sa mga Whistler.
Learn, Tampa Learn. There's manual inside. And the warranty card. Yes, may warranty card. See?
Yeah, go to
1 year.
Fujifilm.
1 year warranty, Fujifilm. So, mga taga Zamboanga, if you want something, good quality cameras, you can visit Paulo Go. Go Photo Zamboanga. So, inside of this, first, ito na yun. Oh, fila to gusto. We have the strap.
And yung pangalan ng strap ay
Fujifilm.
Fujifilm. Siyempre, alam mo naman
Original
ano to,
strap.
Canon.
Okay, this is one of the freebies. The strap. Then we have the charger port or the charger cord. Yan. So, ito. So, ang may basa nun eh. So,
Charger.
hindi yan. Hindi si man
Cord
charge,
pala.
sino ay?
El
Saksakan. So, use the saksakan. So, actually, dalawa to. We'll figure it out paano to siya idugtong. Parang ganito ata. Ay, okay.
Alright, perfect. Tapos,
Then,
connect natin dito.
connect siya.
Alright.
So, it also comes with lens
Gold.
wood.
Wood ba sila?
Lens wood. Lens wood, according to Jason. Lens wood. Oh, may
Tapos,
lens
meron
wood siya.
pa.
Na. Wish na laman.
Wish na laman.
Wala na siya
Alright,
laman.
so...
Yun ang talaga ang laman nung box. And the lens wood.
Okay,
So,
guys,
yun po
ayun,
ang
yun
laman.
po yung laman ng box ng Fujifilm.
If you purchase Fujifilm X-A3, so yun ang mga laman nito. So you will see it later.
Complete package po.
Yes.
And,
This is brand new, ha?
how much, Beth?
It's around 17,995.
95 pala ito. Alright.
Ito peso sila small light.
Okay.
So yun, that's the original price from GoPhoto Zamboanga. If you want some high-end camera, you can visit the page of GoPhoto.
We will
Zamboanga.
post the link,
Yes,
or we will
you can check the link
below.
below.
Alright.
So now we're going to
set the camera!
Okay, set
So,
up.
ay, tignan nyo naman guys, yung lens niya is very safe. Parehas na naman sa mga ano to, yung mga the usual mga camera. Protected, tapos dito. Mirrorless na guys.
Mirrorless, so you can connect it on your phone. We will teach you later. So, of course, for protection, we bought some
Silicone!
Okay, we prepared some silicone. So, we are going to
start na the setup. So, wag na magpatumpig-tumpig pa.
So, here's the count. So, we're going to put first
By the way, color niya pala is silver.
Yes, silver.
Kasi
Silver
yan na lang talaga daw yung available.
available.
So, last, buti na lang.
Last unit standing dun sa shop ni Mr. Paolo.
Kasi sabi nila, the lower the number, the
higher spec.
The higher spec daw. So, X-A3 is the best. Charot.
May. We'll find it pa. Charot. So, here is it. Protected na siya.
Yeah, we have a silicone case na.
Yes.
Well,
So, now, we're going to put the
lens.
So, let's remove this one. The cup.
Okay. Tapos, may yan.
Yung cup din ito.
Okay po. So, paano siya, Jay? Paano siya?
So, idikit nyo, may senyales.
May red button.
Okay.
May red, ano ba yan? Dot?
Yes. So, you can turn it.
Turn
And when you're
first.
able to, okay.
Pag may narinig kayong click, meaning to say, lock na siya. Nakalock na
Ready
siya.
na siya. So, ready
Ayan.
to use. So,
Ready
let's
to
find
use.
it
Let's
out.
find it out. Oh, nakakuyog yun, guys! Pangarap ko lang ito noon.
So, we are
Ay,
going
parang
to,
pangarap ba yun, Ben?
yes.
Ay, basta, yun na.
Okay, it's here.
Ayan, na-open na, guys. Full battery.
Full battery.
Naka-charge siya, guys.
Yun.
Yeah.
So, what's good thing about this is yung touchscreen lens, yung touchscreen niya. Ano ba?
Diyan. Ganda ba?
Ah! Sige, try ito. Ayun.
Ayun. Ang ganda ko.
Tingita na large gut pouch. Hibuki!
So guys, ang ganda ng quality
Perfect.
ng camera guys. Pati mga anik-anik niya sa pes, mga pimple, mga ano. Oh, perfect. Oh my God. Actually guys, binili namin tong camera para sa mga makeup kit namin, pang-vlogs, daily vlogs, gano'n. So, pursue ko na ito talaga. Pursue na namin ito.
So, for the lens hood, for safety precautions,
Okay.
so we're going to face this one. So, there's an indication.
Let's learn.
Did learn?
This learn. Alright.
Okay.
Okay. Yan na guys.
Is it?
This is how it looks. Alright. Zoom in, zoom out.
Zoom in, you can zoom it in, you can zoom it out.
Ito po yung camera. Touchin yung edo. Tara!
Ayun, since hindi natin gamitin ang charger display.
Charan! Zoom in. Zoom out.
Back.
Paano to that death? So, ayan na. So,
ilalagay na natin muna ang scrap. Paano mo ito nilalagay?
Wala, ang ganda siya. Ang ganda pa na siya. Ay, hindi natin ito po.
Okay. So, kung you want, makita, kung saan, pansin nyo, wala siya yung flash. Sana flash. Actually, nandito siya. Yung flash. Kaya ang tawag ko yun. But you can see it here.
Ayan. So, sample. Go to setting. Ay, wala siya, Beth. Panira ka, Beth. Chapo. Ano mga view? Ayun. So, kailangan nyo siyang i-set. May mga filter na din siya.
Yes. But goods, ano yung pinakamaganda dito? It's about the features.
Or feature specs na yung parang iba pa yung select. Ayan na. Charan. Oo. Ganda ba? Ganda ba? Yeah, perfect. So, may pang vlog na kami. May camera vlog na kami. So the next thing is, lalagay namin yung strap sa bantay. Baby, come here. Charo. Baby, where are you? Hello. Bye!
Camera vlog.
Ayan na guys, nilalagay na namin yung strap ng camera para for protection. For protection na din yan siya ba?
Handy.
Ang maganda kasi dito siya guys. Dito sa camera na to, very handy. Pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan. Kahit kailan. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa bag mo lang, yung malaking bag na... May bag ba yan siya ba? Pero mabibili. Ay! Pwede din siya pala bumili ng magbagong lens. If you want to change lens. Pero of course, syempre,
budget.
kung may budget na tayo. Pag nakasahod na tayo sa YouTube, charot lang. So please keep on supporting my YouTube channel, Mimi Official. Alright guys, ayan na, nakaset up na siya.
We finally figured it out paano i-set up ang handle. So, ayun. Sa arms. Cars. Dead na. Okay. Ayun. So, it's handy na. You can place on your neck. Go, Mimi. First honor. Ayun.
First honor. Yan. Tara. Very photographer.
Vlogger. Ano ba kanila? Kasi na ba?
Ay, wala pala yung ganon. Charot lang.
Pwede ulit tayo. Okay, so it also comes with a good
battery
and free
memory card 16 gig. So kung bibili kayo sa GoPhoto, may free memory card na siya, 16 gig. Pero pwede din expandable naman siya. Expandable ba?
Yes.
Yeah. Kasi siya yung kausap ng may-ari ng bumili nito.
True to life.
Hindi ako. So kaya siya yung may alam. Okay? Kasi nga social distancing. And Zamboanga is still under ECQ.
So, finally, we are done unboxing our
X-A3. Dito ka na box.
This is, yes, unboxing X-A3. So,
Fujifilm.
The brand of the phone is Fujifilm. So, review lang tayo. So, inside the box, it comes with lens wood, may lens siya, lente, the camera, the strap. But this silicone, actually we bought it. We bought it online. So, dito siya kasama sa box. So, we planned it advance. We bought it advance. But the original color of this camera is silver. Mukhang black lang siya because of the silicone. So, It comes with battery, of course, free memory card.
Yeah, free memory card, 16 gig.
So,
Expandable pa siya.
So, as time goes by, maybe we'll review it again to you. Siguro meron na siyang parang mic. So, mic na. She's planning to buy mic, of course, for
Stabilizer ba yun? Pwede ba ito?
Pwede.
Alright, so then
She's planning to buy for her vlogging career. So, ayun na nga. So, if you wish to have your own too,
may mga test shot pala kami guys.
Okay,
So, we will post it
Yes.
pagkatapos namin mag-vlog. Okay, edit na lang.
So, if you wish to have your own camera, you can visit Go Photo Zamboanga.
We will post the link below.
Yes.
So, you can check, okay? And try to visit.
Be patient lang.
And by the way guys, keep safe always, ha?
Yes, let's stay COVID-free.
COVID-free.
Social distancing. Charot lang.
Charot lang.
Yun na nga. So, yun na nga. So
I think that's all for today.
So, we're gonna see you on the next vlog.
Video or vlog.
Yes.
And this is EJ. And this is May Mayo. I am May Mayo. So, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Until my next video. Bye-bye.